Hi friends, this is Seema here from Paper Passions, and this is the third video in the Travelogue tutorial series. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, now I'm back with all the cut pieces, and we'll do the scoring so that you understand how to do the scoring and what instructions to follow. So this is our largest piece, which is the base on which we will construct it. So we are not going to do any kind of scoring on this particular piece. Next we have this piece, which is a 7.5 by 9 inch piece, and we are going to score this keeping it on the 9 inch side like that, and we will score it at half an inch from this side, and then again at 8.5 inch, or we could rotate it and come again on half an inch. So this will make it 7.5 by 8 inch. This will go on the base like that. We'll fold it and this will fit onto this piece here like that, making the space for the writing pad to be sliding in, right? So this is our first scored piece. Next is this 6.5 inch by 9 inch piece. We have two such pieces, both of which we're going to score at half an inch, then next 1/8 inch, 1/8 inch, and again at 1/8 of an inch. We will not be folding these four score lines. This is just to have that spine flexible because it will move, and this is the only part that will get glued onto the base like this. Okay, we will repeat this with the other piece that is the same size, half an inch. This is on the 6 inch side, right? Then again 5/8, 6/8, and 7/8. Next is the 6.5 by 7.5 inch pouch piece that we are going to make. I think we are out of focus here. Okay, better. I hope you can see it now. So on this one we'll do half an inch on both sides. So that's going to make it is 5.5 inch, and then 1/4 of an inch on this side and 1/4 of an inch on this side. So that makes it 5 inches. This central part will be 5 inches. This is for our pouch. In fact, we can actually go ahead and do it all at 1/4 of an inch. And at the bottom we will have one score line at half an inch. So this is how this pouch is going to be scored. This large piece, which is 12 by 4, you will have to just make one score line at 6 inches like that, and then there's another piece which is 6.5 inches by 4 inches, which will have a half inch score line. Now this will fold up like that, and it will get added like this. This is like a booklet that we will have for photo mats. So this is there. Now for the top and the bottom flap that will fold up in the center, we have we'll take it on this side, that is the 4 3/4 inch side. We'll have one score line at half inches and one at 3/4 of an inch. So this is the gusset that we'll get for the pockets that we will put in, right? Same, we will do it on the other side also. 1/2 inch, which that gets attached, and then you have another 1/4 inch. So the width of this is going to be 4 inches by 8 inches. Next we have the waterfall pieces. The 8 waterfall pieces. 8 waterfall pieces will all be scored at 1/2 inch on the 5.5 inch size. That leaves it to be 4 by 5 inches. So this is the waterfall pieces, all 8 of them getting scored at 1/2 inch on the 5.5 inch side. I don't know how many of them we can use, but I've made 8 of them. Once we assemble the journal, then we'll be able to determine exactly how many we can use. That is there. Now these are the photomats, 4 by 6 inch pieces, 2 4 by 6 inch pieces, which will not be scored at all. These will go on the bottom flap, just like that, as is. There's this pouch cover that is 5.5 inch. I'll have to trim it down to 5 inches, but on the 3 inch size we will score it at 1/2 inch, and then we'll cut it down to 5 inches. So I'll have to cut it down to 5 inches. I'll do that right away. So 5 inches. This is where 5 inches is. Okay. So this is 5 inches by 3 inches, not 5.5, but 5 inches by 3 inches, and it will be scored at 1/2 inch on the 3 inch size. We will round the corners before we go ahead and attach it. Next we have these 3 pieces, which are for the pocket on the top. So we will put them in at 5 inches and score them at 1/2 inch, and then 4.5 inches. 1/2 inch and then 4.5 inches, which means it's on the 5 inch side. It will be scored on both sides at 1/2 inch. And the third piece here, 1/2 inch and 4.5 inches. Now for the final pouch cover, what we are going to do is this visiting card pocket. You will go ahead and score it at 2 3/8, 2 5/8, then again at 4 again at 5 and 5.25, and then the remaining will become the flap for gluing it on. So, and you will then go ahead and on the other end, which is the 4 inch side, you will score it at 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. Then we will be cutting this later on. And for the cover, you will score it at 1/2 inch on the shorter side, yes, for gluing it on. 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. That will form the cover. Right now we'll go ahead and burnish all these folds, and once I'm ready to assemble, I'll come back again.